Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something very important. Why do some people succeed in life even when they are not the smartest, while others fail even when they have talent? Have you ever thought about it deeply? What if I tell you that the real secret is not intelligence, not luck, but something very simple that most people ignore every day? Today, we are starting a powerful story about a 7-year-old boy named Ian who had big dreams but no discipline in his life. Ayan wanted success, respect, and a better future, but his daily life was completely opposite. He used to wake up late, waste hours on his phone, delay his homework, and always say, I will do it tomorrow. At first, he believed that motivation would change his life, but slowly his life started going in the wrong direction. His grades started dropping, his teachers lost hope in him, and his friends started moving ahead in life. Ayan would sit alone and scroll on his phone, thinking why everyone is moving forward except him. He compared himself with others and slowly started feeling weak from inside. One day, his teacher gave him an important task for a school presentation, but Ayan ignored it, thinking he had enough time. When the day came, he was completely unprepared, and in front of the class, he could not speak properly. Students laughed, and that moment broke his confidence completely. He came home feeling embarrassed, angry, and confused about his life. That night, he asked himself a deep question. Why do I always fail even when I know what I should do? He did not realize it yet, but this failure was going to become the first step toward a big change in his life, a change that would start teaching him the real meaning of discipline. Chapter 2. That night, Aeon could not sleep. His mind kept repeating the same moment again and again, the moment when his classmates laughed at him. He felt something heavy inside his chest, like he was losing control of his own life. He asked himself again and again, why does this keep happening to me? Why do I always fail at the last moment? The next day at school, something unexpected happened. His teacher called him after class and said, Ayan, I am not angry at you, but I am disappointed because I know you can do better. Those words hit him deeply, not like a punishment, but like a truth he could not ignore. Then his teacher shared something simple but powerful. He said, motivation is not enough. You need discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays with you every day. Ayan did not fully understand it at first, but those words stayed in his mind like an echo. On his way home, he saw a man working early in the morning, even in cold weather, and another student studying alone in a small shop. He started noticing something he never noticed before, that successful people were not always the most talented, but they were always consistent. That night, Aeon opened his notebook and wrote one line, I don't need motivation, I need discipline. But when he tried to study, his phone distracted him again. He felt frustrated. He tried to focus, but his habits were stronger than his intention. Still, something inside him had changed. For the first time, he did not blame others. He started questioning his own habits instead. Before sleeping, he made a small decision. He said to himself, tomorrow I will try just one disciplined action. It was a small promise, but it was the beginning of a big transformation he could not see yet. Chapter 3. The next morning came, but Ayan was not ready. His alarm rang early, but he pressed the snooze button again and again. His body was tired, and his mind was lazy. For a moment, he forgot his promise, but then he remembered the words he wrote last night. I need discipline. He slowly got out of bed, feeling like it was the hardest thing in the world. He opened his notebook to study, but his phone was calling him again. Notifications, videos, and games were pulling his attention. He sat there for a few minutes doing nothing, just fighting with himself. Then he asked a psychology question in his mind. Why is it so easy to fail and so hard to improve? After a long struggle, he decided to study for just 10 minutes. He told himself, only 10 minutes, then I can stop. Those 10 minutes felt heavy, but he continued anyway. Something surprising happened. After 10 minutes, he did not want to stop immediately. He studied a little more, then a little more again. It was not perfect, but it was progress. For the first time, he felt a small win inside him. But the next day was not easy. He failed again. He slept late, wasted time, and broke his promise. He felt disappointed and angry at himself. He thought maybe he is not disciplined enough. But then he remembered something important his teacher said. Discipline is not built in one day. It is built in failure and repetition. That line gave him a strange hope. He realized he was not starting from success, he was starting from struggle. And struggle is part of every real transformation. That night, instead of quitting, he decided to try again tomorrow, even if he fails again. Because now he understood that discipline is not about being perfect, it is about not giving up after failure. Chapter 4. Days slowly started passing, and something small but real was changing in Ion's life. He was still not perfect, but he was no longer the same boy who gave up immediately. Now, he started noticing his own behavior more carefully. Some days he failed, but some days he improved. He began to understand that discipline is not a straight road, it is full of ups and downs. One morning, he woke up before his alarm for the first time. It felt strange. His mind was still tired, but he did not go back to sleep. He sat on his study table and started reading. It was not a long study session, but it was consistent. His mother noticed this change and asked him, "Why are you waking up early these days?" Ian smiled and said, "I am trying to change my life." That simple sentence showed how much he had grown inside. At school, his teacher also noticed that he was more focused than before. He was still not the top student, but he was improving slowly. Even his friends started seeing a difference in his behavior. One day, a classmate asked him, "What changed you suddenly?" Ian paused for a moment and replied, "Not motivation, discipline." Saying that made him feel powerful inside. But the real test was still coming. One day, his teacher announced a surprise class test. Earlier, this would have made him panic. But this time, Ion felt different. He did not feel fully ready, but he felt prepared enough to try. He studied calmly instead of panicking like before. Even if he was still struggling, he was now building something stronger inside him. He realized that discipline was slowly turning him into a different person, not overnight, but step by step, moment by moment, and habit by habit. And that realization gave him a quiet but powerful confidence he had never felt before. Chapter 5. The day of the big class test finally arrived, and Ion could feel the pressure in the air. His heart was beating faster than usual, and his mind kept trying to create fear. But this time he did something different. Instead of panicking, he took a deep breath and reminded himself of his daily discipline. He remembered every small effort he had made, every morning he woke up early, every time he chose study over distraction. The test began, and for the first time, he did not feel completely lost. He was still nervous, but he was not broken by fear like before. As he looked at the paper, he realized he had already studied most of the topics in his daily routine. This was the power of discipline working silently in the background. He started answering slowly, question by question, without rushing or panicking. There were moments when he felt stuck, but instead of giving up, he tried to think calmly. In his mind, another psychology question appeared. What happens when preparation meets pressure? And now he was living the answer. After finishing the test, he felt something he had not felt in a long time: satisfaction. Not because everything was perfect, but because he had tried his best without quitting. A few days later, the results were announced. Ian did not get the top position, but he had improved a lot compared to before. His teacher appreciated his effort in front of the class. That moment gave him quiet confidence. Even more important, he realized something powerful. Discipline does not guarantee instant success, but it guarantees progress. His classmates who once laughed at him now saw a change in him. Ion was no longer the same careless boy. He was becoming someone reliable, focused, and stronger from inside. And deep down, he knew this was only the beginning of his real journey, because discipline had now entered his life as a permanent habit, not just a temporary effort. Chapter 6. After the test results, Aeon sat alone and started thinking deeply about his journey. He asked himself simple but powerful psychology questions. What really changed in my life? Was it talent? Was it luck? Or was it something I ignored for years? The answer slowly became clear in his mind. It was discipline. Not big actions, but small daily actions that slowly rebuilt his life. He remembered the time when he could not even study for 10 minutes without distraction. Now he could sit for hours with focus, not because he became perfect, but because he became consistent. He also realized that discipline did not remove all his problems, but it gave him strength to face them. One evening, his teacher called him aside and said, "You are not the same student anymore." That sentence made Aeon emotional because he knew how far he had come from failure to improvement. At home, his mother proudly told others about his change, and for the first time, Ayan felt proud of himself, not because he was the best, but because he did not give up. He understood something very important about life. Motivation is temporary, feelings change every day, but discipline builds a future that emotions cannot destroy. Now he started helping other students who struggled like he once did. He shared his simple rule: start small, stay consistent, never quit. And slowly, people began to respect him not for perfection, but for effort. Now, pause and think about your own life. Are you waiting for motivation, or are you ready to build discipline? Because discipline is not something you feel, it is something you do every single day. If Ion can change, you can also change. Your future is not decided by your talent, but by your daily habits. Start today, start small, and stay consistent, because discipline will take you further than anything else in life. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment, "I will be disciplined," below. Start today, even with one small step. And remember, your future is built by what you do daily, not what you plan someday.